Hey, yeah, it's day 10 of the Dressolation Diaries, and yep, I'm outside. A friend of mine sort of was worried about me and sort of was asking me how I was doing, and I mentioned that I hadn't really left the house in 9 days, and they challenged me to get outside for a walk today around my neighborhood, which we're allowed to do in isolation. I just haven't, because if I'm honest, I've been a bit freaked out about leaving my house, and it is something that I have to get over, because obviously we all do have to leave our houses at some time to go shopping or whatever. So I'm gonna go for a walk around my neighborhood today. It's only a few blocks, I guess, but it's actually a really beautiful walk, so I thought I would take you with me today, and it might be interesting to see what New Zealand looks like. I know it's really windy here today, so don't worry, I'm not going to make you listen to wind the whole time. Probably just put a song to the back of this and just give you some snippets of my walk. So hope you enjoy seeing Titahi Bay in Porirua, down here in Wellington of New Zealand. Okay, this is where I leave you. I'm about to walk down my street and potentially stop at that Foursquare I showed you just before, maybe to see if they have any eggs. Thanks for coming on my walk with me today. I've really enjoyed showing you my neighborhood. Let's see yours too. Bye!